Hey folks, my name is Joe and this is Easy and Light, the show where my fiance Layla and I make easy drinks that are light in calories. Today we are making the Rum Punch. It is a tropical drink. It has pineapple juice, so Layla will like it, and you will too.
Yes.
First, you're going to start with 2 ounces of white rum. Next, you're going to put in 2 ounces of orange juice. Then you're going to put in 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we're going to put in 1 ounce of lime juice. Make sure it's always fresh, never from the little bottle. Then we're going to put half an ounce of grenadine. 0 sugar.
Jordans.
The fun thing about this one is that you can just open pour it into the cup once you're done. So then we'll shake it. Doesn't need to be long, just a little quick one, you know, as Layla takes off the headphones so she doesn't hurt herself. Yeah, I've redeemed myself. It smells just like pineapple juice, that's it. Okay, and then we don't need a strainer or anything. We just pour it right in. And then we just dress it up with some garnish. So we're going to take just a lime wheel, bounce it in there. There you go. Little straw,
Umbrella.
little umbrella action. And then I custom cut this straw so that it would meet Layla's mouth in just the right spot.
Yippee.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little sip ski first.
You gotta take pictures, Joseph. You think I'm gonna like it?
You're gonna love this. Let me tell you right now. Can you? All right, we just took pictures, so Layla's gonna try it out now.
I'm just gonna leave it on the floor.
Yeah, we knew that was gonna happen.
We're gonna leave it.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
All right.
Alright.
Layla's going in for the tasting notes.
Alright, I'm already excited. Because, okay, last video we did the espresso martini. And that wasn't my favorite. So, the espresso martini, last episode, was a rough one. No, it was a good drink. It just wasn't my favorite. And so we needed to, we need to bring it back. We gotta bring it back. And so I'm hyped for this drink. And I'm just gonna take a sip now because I'm so excited. It's so good. I love it so much. Okay, it is January, and there's snow and it's cold. Miserable time of year. This brings me back to my grandfather's farm in Vega Baja, Puerto Rico. And I want to be there so bad. It's freezing, and I know over there right now it's a good 80 degrees, sunny, a little bit of rain, a little humidity, but it's beautiful right now. This drink, I want to cry. It's good.
Yeah, this is a new favorite for me. It's 151 calories.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's 2 ounces of rum. It's not just a shot. It's a little bit more.
Yeah.
But it doesn't taste super alcoholic.
No, definitely not. I don't even have a burn or anything.
It's all those juices.
Yeah, it's very subtle.
There's 3 kinds of juice in that thing.
It's the alcohol's very subdued, but it's definitely there. You definitely get the spices that are in rum or whatever.
Yeah, sure.
What is in rum?
Most of its flavor comes from sugarcane. In its production, it's based in sugarcane byproducts. So it has a natural sweetness to it, but a lot of the funk that is found in rum is based on the distillation process. I'm not sure specifically for Bacardí, but there's a lot that are either made in a pot still, which is big, metallic, adds in a lot of different flavors and stuff, and then there's column still. I don't really fully understand the difference between them, but yeah, it's just got a lot of flavors in there. There's a lot of things that go into making rum. They're all very different. So I chose white rum for this one because if we did the Jamaican rum, it would have been fruit fighting with fruit, and then it would have just been 2 fruit, and then it would have been no fruit because it would have been 2 fruit.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So white rum is closer to vodka than anything else.
Spice, but there is a certain flavor to rum that I've always preferred. I would say that of all of the alcohols that we've tried, rum has to be my favorite.
Me too.
It's the least abrasive. Maybe it's just my Caribbean coming out, but I have rum supremacy. Period.
Yeah, because rum is really the only one that I've put in every rum drink I've had, I've liked. Except maybe the Mai Tai, I thought was a little bit too strong and a little bit too rum forward. But other than that, every single rum drink we've made has been like a good experience.
I'm like thinking back to all the drinks that I've had. And I guess besides, I would say this is second place after the lemon drop.
Really?
Yeah. Because I feel like, I think what brings it down a peg is that I can't drink it in 4 sips. But
it is almost 8 ounces.
Yeah.
So.
But I'm biased because my favorite flavor, one of my favorite fruits is pineapple. I can eat pineapple by itself all day and like be completely unfazed. And so for pineapple haters, this might be the worst drink, you know?
It is very pineapple forward. I didn't get any lime. Orange juice is really just adding volume more than anything else.
I think the orange juice kind of sits in the back a little bit. Like if we were in a vehicle, pineapple's driving, right? Maybe orange juice is like the person in like the side, this driver passenger side. Like it's there, but it's not like leading. Then the grenadine.
Really?
Yeah.
For me, it was really just the grenadine adding some color. And it is also the only sweetener in there. So it presents as pretty sweet. Like, there's no simple syrup or whatever, but there is grenadine.
Then I would say in the background is the lime. Like, the lime and the rum are in the background. But it creates this, like, sphere of just, like, wonderful.
And what'd you think of the open pour process?
I thought it was fun, but I feel like anybody who was like receiving that drink and seeing your hand touching like where their mouth is going to be would be perturbed.
Well, that's something that bartenders do so that the ice doesn't go everywhere. So I shouldn't have touched it, but I should have been like close, but
That's my only thing. I feel like I could see my dad being like, his hand touched the cup, the rim of the cup. I don't want to touch it. I don't know if he's washed his hands. So I just feel like that would be the only thing. But yeah, I thought the open pour was fun, and I think that drink was fun. It was wonderful.
All right, well, you heard the reviews. This is a great one. You should definitely make it. And as always, salud.